Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this African black soap for glowing skin, best organic soap ever, because the ingredients used in making this soap has been carefully selected by me to make sure it tackles some skin problems like acne, pigmentations and clear dark spots and leaving your skin glowing. And as you can see from this video, you notice that it lathers very well. This soap lathers very well, and a little goes a long way. Just take a little and you use it. You can bathe, wash your face with it, and it helps clear your skin and leave your skin glowing. Let's get started. So to make this organic black soap, this African black soap for a glowing skin, to mix it, the first step is to put in a double boiling method. I'm going to heat my black soap, pour hot water in a pan and place the black soap in with a beaker and allow it to melt, to soften. Remember that this black soap is hard a little, so with the double boiling method, it softens the soap. And at this point you can see that I'm blending it. I'm mixing it with my electric mixer because the soap is already soft from double boiling it. So I'm going to keep mixing until it softens more. And at this point you have two options in this part. Either you use your hand to mix, but because it's warm, I wouldn't advise putting your bare hand in it, and so I'm using my hand mixer to mix it. And after mixing it for a while, I will start adding my ingredients. So the first ingredient I'm adding is my SLS. It's a surfactant. I added 69 grams of the SLA surfactant. It helps remove dirt and oils from the skin, leaving your skin glowing and spotless. And the second option, if you don't have SLS surfactant, the next surfactant you can use cocoa beating, and that will do the same job. And so after adding it, the next I'm going to move in with my papaya puree. And this, I blended it with flaxseed gel. I didn't use water in blending this carrot. Then I just added I boiled it with flaxseed gel. Then I blended as well with flaxseed gel. So at this point we can simply say flaxseed and papaya puree here. So I'm mixing it with my spatula. I want to incorporate it very well before moving in with my hand mixer. And so the next is my sulphur. Sulphur is very good on the skin. Sulphur help brighten the skin, and if you're having itchy scalp, it works best also for itchy scalp. It helps clear the skin. And the next I'm adding is my turmeric. Turmeric has an anti-inflammatory property and antioxidant. It brightens and improves skin complexion. And if you notice, I use little quantity of turmeric so that it doesn't stain the clothes or the bath top after using it. And I also added my rice starch. Rice starch, I made it myself. For my rice starch, I used 20 grams of rice starch. And rice starch help balance the sebum production and eliminate acne causing bacteria, and also brightens the skin as well. Then the next I added is my potato starch as well. This I also made it myself, potato starch. It also help brighten the skin. And the next I added is my lemon juice. Lemon juice, I used 22 grams of lemon juice. It just lemon, I just extracted the juice from it. That's what I added, and it helps. It has an antioxidant, and it also helps tone the skin and brighten the skin, and also reduce excess oil from the skin. Then after adding it, the next is to move in again with my hand electric mixer to make sure all the powders added are fully incorporated into this black soap. So guys, at this point this is what it looks like. And however, like I always do, I will drop the measurements and ingredient on the screen in case you miss any one. So just feel free to take a screenshot of this ingredient. Then you you can make it whenever you're ready for it. So at this point, the next ingredient I'm adding, I added glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant. It will make this black soap not to be drying on the skin, and even after leaving it, your skin stays fresh and looking smooth, and because of the balance of the ingredients I use, because I knowing that black soap can be drying most times, then I added a moisturizing ingredient to help reduce that and help, even as it's clearing your skin, it also doesn't dry out the natural oil you're produced by your skin. So at this point, after adding, I added ACVA to balance the pH of this black soap, and also the flaxseed extract. I also use flaxseed extracts for this. So at this point, guys, then I added my aloe vera juice. After adding aloe vera juice, then I'm going to mix it. Then I added my preservative. For my preservative, I use liquid Germal plus. And like I will always say, remember to follow your manufacturer's instruction as you use your preservative. And also for my fragrance, I also use fragrance. You can use fragrance oil or essential oil for this. And here I use fragrance oil. Knowing that black soap has a strong smell, it will be nice to add a fragrance to it so that it has a good smell even as you use it. So guys, after adding my preservative, then I started mixing it again. And if you're the type that doesn't like hard black soap, and this will be your go-to black soap for glowing skin, because at this point you notice that the black soap is softer, looking good, and because of the ingredients were carefully selected to get you to this point. And I've used this for some months now, and I would say I love it. It's one of my best so far. So, and I will keep mixing it. So for my fragrance oil, I used lemongrass fragrance oil, and which smells so good. And feel free to make changes with your fragrance and ingredient if you wish. However, I will advise, if you use exactly the ingredient I use, you will get the same results. And follow the instructions to the end, and you will enjoy it. And at this point, guys, my glowing black soap is ready, and you can use this with both morning and night. The ingredients used were carefully selected and no side effects. The next is just to transfer this glowing black soap into a sterilized container and start using. And for this batch is a large batch, so you can also reduce the quantity if you don't want to make this much. And thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to share this video if you have friends, family you think that might be interested in this black soap, to learn how to make this glowing black soap. Feel free to share my videos. As you can see, as I showed you earlier, you notice that this soap lathers so well. So let me know your comments below this video. If you have any question or concern, feel free to drop your question and comments in the comment section. I will always be there to respond to your questions. Thank you so much for watching if you got to this point. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.